Hi, I'm Michelle at Quail & Co. Designs. Today I'm going to teach you how to slice a large design so that you can make a sign that would ordinarily be too large to cut on your Cricut. We're going to use the Oversized Believe design, and I will link that below in case you are interested in purchasing it. You can find it on Design Bundles or on Etsy. So the first thing we're going to do is bring in a square. And we're going to size this to the size of our sign. So our sign today is going to be 24 inches wide by 18 inches long. Then we're going to take Believe and bring it to the front. And we're going to fit it on here so that it's running off the edges just a little bit. You still want to be able to read it. Once you have it the way you like it, you send Believe to the back. We already have it selected, so we'll send to back. You select everything, and you come over here and you click Slice down here at the bottom right. Now we can discard the gray pieces. We don't need them anymore. And we're left with these slices that we're going to take off. And this is what will be on our final design. This, however, is still too big to cut because it's 24 by 18. So what we need to do is to slice it into 3 pieces. So we'll bring in another square and we're going to unlock it so that we can size it to 11.5 inches wide. That's the widest that Cricut can cut, by 18 inches tall. We'll send this to the back. And then we're going to line it up where we want our first slice to be. Right between 2 letters is the best place for it. Then send Believe to the back. Select both and slice. Remove your gray. And then we have our first slice. We still need to cut this into 2 pieces because it's also too large to cut on the mat. So we'll just repeat the process. So unlock, change this to 11.5 by 18. Send it to the back so that we can make sure it's placed in a good position. Send Believe to the back. Select all, or just not all, but just these 2 pieces, and then slice. And then again, you can remove your gray pieces since we don't need them. And we now have all 3 pieces of Believe. I'm going to change this to red just because it's easier to see on the mat when we click Make It. This will send it straight to the mat or mats. It arranges it for you in the best way possible to save on vinyl. And that's it. You're just going to hit OK and it's going to start the cutting process. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click subscribe and always feel free to contact me with any questions you have.